Welcome to the Animal Spelling Quiz. Today, we will test your spelling skills with animal names. Each question will have 3 similar spellings, but only one is correct. Listen carefully, think, and choose the right answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. This animal howls at the moon. What's the correct spelling? Correct answer is wolf. It is clever and has a bushy tail. Pick the right spelling. Yes, it's fox. This big animal loves honey. How do you spell it? That's right. There. This gentle animal has antlers. Choose the correct spelling. Correct answer is deer. This animal can go days without water. What's the correct spelling? Yes, it's camel. It has spots and runs fast. Pick the right spelling. That's right. Leopard. This bird is wise and stays up at night. What's the correct spelling? Correct answer is owl. It's big, strong, and lives on grassy lands. Choose the right spelling. Yes, it's buffalo. This big cat is black and very sneaky. What's the correct spelling? That's right. Panther. This colorful bird can talk. How do you spell it? Correct answer is parrot. This reptile loves the sun. Pick the right spelling. Yes, it's lizard. This animal is smart and loves bananas. What's the correct spelling? That's right. Chimpanzee. This is the biggest bird. Choose the correct spelling. Correct answer is ostrich. This animal has a very long name and loves water. What's the correct spelling? It's hippopotamus. This cute animal eats eucalyptus leaves. How do you spell it? That's right. Koala. This animal has a black mask on its face. Pick the right spelling. Correct answer is raccoon. This bird is pink and stands on one leg. What's the correct spelling? Yes, it's flamingo. It swims in the ocean and has tentacles. Choose the correct spelling. jellyfish. This animal laughs and lives in packs. What's the correct spelling? Correct answer is hyena. This sea creature has 5 arms. Pick the right spelling. Yes, it's starfish. Thanks for watching Kiddo's Knowledge World. Please subscribe for more useful content.